How to find contacts in Gmail. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Gmail application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for manage your Google account. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the people and sharing option you see there, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the option for contacts. Tap on the contacts option there and you will then be able to view all your contacts in Gmail. So this is how you can find contacts in Gmail. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.